Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Destin the Explorer here. Today's vlog is not going to be a motor vlog. This vlog is about how to set up a home gym at home. Basically lockdown has started, so all the gyms are closed in Imphal. I don't know how to set up kamaina gym amma set up tauge yum daga adu mucharake am changoi, but I already have few weights and I added few mayam daga ucharke ka. Selo, see you. So basically this is my setup. I used to work out on terrace, so I've added few weights I bought yesterday. Aduna I have to shift downstairs because terrace tawbase matham se ka kanang kano tawe ka. So my cycle, my bench, my weights, and see me, I'm shift out. Okay, I'm on the third floor right now, but shift over tare makada ko. So adum mathang ulage. Sige ta ngai đây, khơi bút thật rồi. Almost 7 times mà tham gia cùng đời. Nhưng qua đi. Amo time rap tâm yên kìa. Si thằng thì quay nó suy tài si múc thằng gì lagi thằng cái lagi itu mangga si tao sẽ đâu kìa khôi cái này arsen ấy cho nó qua xin si lâu thuộc si ao đi à basically silai setup lai ra hojik hain tawde se what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up here. So all these two wheelers will be shifted here, then size going to set up tawroge ba. Meanwhile Paul already started arsan jo workout ta nahi hai, so mathang ulage next step tu So first let me connect to the electrical. She's going to tight over. Chập sai sẽ height perfect tare si taron to to ke ba si ai có sai vậy nè cả vậy Sure, di. Pay ra ba. Tang phai ba hang je. Yaar. Tu shale ko si am tang shift tau gi ke. Sim lại ra. So next similar ni bench press kisse. Yep. Setelah meeting na took I get free hand exercise tau ba yoga tau sina dalawa siya di zakrani ito po hong drink ita siyang tang clean ta ho ge. Finally the setup is done. It took me almost 1.5 hours to finish everything. I'll just show you around. This is the multi-rack which has a pull-ups, squat section, and this one is bench, leg extension, leg curl, then bench press for incline decline, all. And this is the platform where I'm going to do all my deadlifts. And here I'll be doing some stretching and free hand exercise. Dumbbells are there, kettlebell, medicine ball, 15 kg. This 15 I bought two 15 kgs yesterday. This is what I added. My old 8 kg 4 I have 5 kg 4 kg 10 kg 4 pair of dumbbells. I mean 2 pair of dumbbells basically. And one of the most important, this one, mirror, where you can look and see your form. See nahi man, she setup se, if you really want this kind of setup, ado may aming wanda hybrid po yani comment I can help you. Meanwhile, I can pull up some ko. I hope you like it. This is it. I hope you like the vlog, and I hope you like the home gym setup of mine. Hashtag #DevsonFit. And I hope you like Devson the Explorer. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope this vlog will be useful to set up a home gym at home during this lockdown. And stay fit and don't stop working out at home. Maybe I'll come up with few free hand exercise so that you can work out. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Devson the Explorer signing off.